Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad RAZIF USMAN. I will explain method statement of Borepile Foundation. Resource: hydraulic drilling rig, service crane, temporary single wall casing, bucket, cleaning, rock drilling, bucket. Materials: concrete, reinforcement, betonite slurry. Construction procedure: the procedure for the construction of approval of board piles with temporary casing under betonite slurry system comprises the following elements: A. Setting up the pile position. B. Installation of temporary guide casing. C. Drilling of the pile board hole. D. Recycling. E. Reinforcement cage in the stallion. F. Concreting. G. Removal of temporary guide casing. Setting out of pile position. A qualified full-time surveyor from the main contractor will be engaged for setting out of the pile position using the coordinate system. The pile will be marked by fixing steel pegs in the working platform. After checking, the peg will be driven into the ground to protect them from any disturbance. Any pile points which is disturbed by machinery movement, soil movement will be reset. And next, installation of temporary guide casing. A temporary guide casing having an internal diameter same as pile diameter shall be installed to the pile center as previously marked on the working platform. The temporary guide casing shall be uniform section throughout the length. The casing shall consist of the series of lengths which will be joined together to extend the length if necessary. The verticality of the steel casing is checked with a spirit level into perpendicular direction. And next, drilling of pile borehole. After the installation of the temporary casing, the borehole will be drilled using appropriate drilling tools. The borehole will be drilled under a bentonite slurry support for borehole stabilization. And next, recycling. The process of cleaning bentonite from sand and silt to keep its quality within the allowable limits is called recycling. And next, reinforcement cage installation divided into three. Number one, fabrication of steel cage. Number two, lowering of the reinforcement cage. Number three, concrete placement. And next, concreting. The concrete is delivered to site by means of truck mixers. The concrete will be checked for the slump and temperature. Cubes will be taken as per specification. The concrete will be allowed to the site only after concrete quality has been found in compliance with specification. And last, extraction of temporary casing. On, on completion of the concreting operation, the temporary casing will be withdrawn by peeling rig. When casing will be extracted, a sufficient quantity of concrete will be maintained within it to ensure that pressure from external water, bentonite slurry or soil, is exceeded and that the pile is neither reduced in section nor contaminated. So much for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.